Hi everyone, it's Sunday, November 16th, 2025. It's just about 7:48 p.m. when I record this. Don't know why I'm telling you this, but today we got something interesting. We're going to do an unboxing of the Philips One Blade shaver. Yes, this is a rechargeable shaver, recharges by a USB cable. They give you the cable with it, but they don't give you the plug thing it goes into. And I got this off of Amazon, and it's a trim, edge, and shaver, and it's got apparently 5 link settings, right? And it has a runtime of about 45 minutes, and they say it only takes 40 minutes to charge, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it now. I've already cut the security tab here. When it comes like this is sealed, that's so you can't, so it can't be tampered. Now remember, I've never opened this before, so you're seeing it with me for the first time. And we're going to pull it out. So in the box here, which I always recommend you to keep the box for a while anyway, it does have the instruction manual. There's going to be not much to it. It just shows you different, I guess, different methods, and it tells all the pieces and all that, right? So we're not actually going to use it at the moment. We'll probably do another demo video down the road, like we might not. We're going to see how it goes. So we're going to put that there. Now here, it's all sealed in here. Oh, this is good, everyone. See, you got to pull this pull tab here to get it open, right? And that's just like another security feature, so it can't be tampered with. So we've got it downside up or upside down. Here's the USB cable. And it looks like your standard when here. Oh no, this is proprietary. This is proprietary. So which means it's the one for the Philips that has this sort of plug on it. So you can't lose this cable, everyone. I stress that enough. Then you go on this side. You can discover all its benefits and shaving tips even more on your One Blade app. So we're definitely going to install the One Blade app on the what do you call it, on the phone, right? And here's the shaver itself, right? And it is charged now. So I believe this is the part here that would go on to, okay, I don't really want to monkey around with it too much. At the moment, we have to read the instructions. But it comes with the One Blade. This is for the shaving, right? And I'm pretty sure you just attach it onto there. But we're going to actually read the instructions first, right? And it has the little trimmer here, right? So I think what I should do is I should pause the video and read up on it and see how this all attaches, because I'm not sure what this is, if this is a cover or what this is. Okay, so let me, we'll get back to you. Okay, I have read up on it, and to connect it up, this part here just slides into here. So you just push it on like that. Then when you turn it on, then you just go. And that's how that's supposed to work. I don't really feel it cutting, but we can figure it out. So, and this other thing here, what was the cover for it? Like if you want to put the cover on it, right? That's how that goes. Right? So we're gonna go try it out, and thanks for watching the video. It has this other attachment here, but you really do got to read the instructions. So thanks for watching the unboxing of the Philips One Blade. Please like and subscribe. So as you can see, I did try it out a bit in the bathroom there, and it does seem to work pretty good. It's a bit slower than the other method, but I think it's going to work out good. Remember, this is the cover that goes over top of the blade, so that's on there now. But the only drawback is it has a proprietary charging cord, so you can't lose this cord, and you can't lose this trimmer part either, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these other things back in the box, and I'm going to go put it on the charger on the USB in the bedroom. I guess the only place where I can do it, right? And we'll charge it up. So yeah, it's a bit tough to get into there, right? So it's I think it was worth. I think it was like I paid $40 for it or something like that. So please like and subscribe, and in a few months I might do, or a few weeks I might do like an update on this so that you know how it went. We got to download the app. That's what we got to do. Okay, bye for now.